Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to block any email address on Gmail. So firstly, let's go to the Gmail first. After login to your Gmail with ID and password, you have to choose any mail that you want to block. Like I want to block this mail, this one, Loan Breaker Search. If you want to block this guy, you have to click on three dot which is beside the mail, and then you'll find here block Lauren Baker and search engine journal. Choose this one and it will pop up for the final confirmation. If you click on block, your this email address will be blocked. No email will be come from that email again. If you want to unblock, you have to click on again and you can unblock from here. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.